Y'all look at this shit. It is a fucking mess out here. Like the whole roads is covered. Like goddamn. I just got stuck in Northern Lights. And then I got stuck again at this store on Fairs in Wofford. Guys out here shoveling, trying to get things done. And this is what I'm driving in right now. Fuck, I forgot that was right there. There's a big ass pothole right there. I forgot it was right there. Now I'm hoping I can get into my driveway. Because it's very, 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 very thick snow. Like, every time I go through, I slide. And you got trucks out here ready to get shit towed. Look, they already got something towed, got stuck, got towed. But like I said, y'all, look at this shit. This is the street that I'm riding on. It's fucking ridiculous. But I gotta go.